What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to use a built-in compass tool in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on display. Now in display, scroll down and click on edge panels. Now first of all, turn on edge panels, and after turning on this button, tap on panels. Now in panels, select the tools panel to add it to the edge panel, and after adding the tools panel to the edge panel, go back to your home screen and open the edge panel. Now go to the tools panel, and here it will show you the compass. So if it doesn't show compass, then click on this three dot more icon, and from this list choose compass, and then you can rotate your mobile to use the compass. So that's how you can use the built-in compass in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.